Hi, hello. I'm Zoe, psychologist here in Aachen, and today we will talk about sports. Because sports can be beneficial to both mind and body, and can help us cope with this current situation that we're facing for over 3 months. So yes, every one of us has some possibilities to go to exercise. As you know, some swimming pools, gyms and other facilities, this kind of facilities are now open under some restrictions because of Corona. So you can go and exercise alone or with other people. If you want to do that at home, you can go on YouTube and look at some yoga or Pilates videos. That's what many of us do at this point. Another idea is to take a mindful walk in the forest or a park near you. This exercise allows you to free your mind and focus on your environment, so you can stress relief a little bit. I will link 2 or 3 videos in German down below for you to see. Yes, that was it for today. I hope this small video can motivate you in this thing. So have fun, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye.